Hi and welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you are new here, my name is Claudia and today I'm in Chinatown, which is located in Nairobi, and I'm going to show you how Chinatown looks like. Let's see how beautiful it is. We have Chinese shops here. The view is so good. A lot of shops. Hebu niambie nini naendeleanga huku. It's my first time kukuja huku. So nini huwa pen here? Naona ni town.
Huko China, ukifika huko hapo huko China.
Ukifika huko kwa China. So ni activities gani ziko huku zinafanyikanga huku?
Huku watu wanakula, wananunua matunda, wananunua vitu za China. Kila kitu inatoka China.
Oh, basically ni vitu za Chinese hupatikana hapa.
China peke yake.
Oh.
Peke yake.
Okay, mimi ni YouTuber.
Oh.
Ukienda kwa YouTube utapata Claudia_works. Make sure you subscribe. Na ushare na watu. Hi, hello.
Hi.
How are you?
Okay.
I'm okay. Make sure you subscribe into my YouTube channel.
Okay, subscribe kwa channel at
Claudia_works.
at Claudia_.
And make sure you visit this place. Okay, thank you. Okay guys, let's keep on walking. Here we have a place where you can get your fruits. Let's zoom and see. You can get your fruits here. When you come here, make sure you shop your fruits here. Let's keep on walking. I'm going to show you everything around this place. Hello, how are you? We have a nice restaurant here. Look how beautiful it is. The place looks so nice, it's so clean. Look at the view. We have a big restaurant here. So nice. We have casino there. Let's keep on walking. The place is so big. A lot of restaurants here. And there are places where you can get your nyama choma. You can see they are preparing nyama choma. Hello? Unatayarisha kupika nyama choma? Sawa sawa. Ukipika tunakuja. Ni sawa, narudi. Haya poa. Sawa. Let's keep on walking. The place is full of Chinese people. Let's walk on this side to see what is happening here. I think I will go the other way around and show you. Let's keep on walking, guys. we have a nice and a big restaurant here. Look at the view. I'm in love with it. Very clean. So nice. Let me show you the view from the outside. This is how the view from the outside looks like. We have more restaurants here. Hello.
Hello.
How are you? Can we take a photo? How are you? Let's keep on walking, guys. Let's keep on walking. Another restaurant there. A lot of restaurants. Let's go. Let's keep on walking. The view is so good. Look at the view. The view is so good. It looks so good. Let's keep on walking. Let me show you on the other side how it looks like. Let me show you the side of the supermarket. They have a big supermarket here. We have a big supermarket. Let me go and show you. Here they don't have local food. They have only Chinese food, and everything is all about Chinese. The place is so nice, guys. The place is so nice. So nice. So good. So nice. I'm in love with this place. This is a Chinese supermarket here, and we are not going to enter inside. You can look. It looks like that, and this is the view. This is how it looks like from the outside. So good. So guys, see you in the next video.